To make this soap, you will first have to get the zest from a lemon. In this case, use a fine grater. Just rub the lemon in one direction against the little blades. Lemon zest have more vitamins than lemon juice. Its antibacterial properties helps treat acne. You can use lemon powder in place of lemon zest, as it is readily available in the market. Next, take a small bar of transparent soap base and cut it into small pieces. Melt the soap base using a microwave or a double boiler method. Then, add 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, few drops of tea tree oil, and 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Mix all the ingredients well together. Grease a soap mold or a plastic container with sweet almond oil, so that a soap comes off easily. Then, pour the soap mixture in the mold, and freeze it. Once frozen completely, remove it from the freezer and it is ready to use. Lemon peels, or zest, help in preventing and fighting skin problems, such as wrinkles, acne, pigmentation and dark spots. The free radicals play a very important role in this process. These are also rich in antioxidants, which tend to detoxify the skin to a very great extent. Lemon peel may help to enhance the clarity, glow and softness of the skin. Lemon peel contains citric and plant acids that work to cleanse, lighten and brighten the skin, remove dead skin, and stimulate new skin growth. Tea tree oil used in this soap is a popular choice for treating acne because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It's thought to calm redness, swelling, and inflammation. It may even help to prevent and reduce acne scars, leaving you with smooth, clear skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of tea tree oil make it useful in relieving the discomfort of itchy skin. It soothes the skin and can also help heal infections that cause itchy skin. Tea tree oil contains compounds that fight bacteria responsible for body odor. Hence, its antibacterial effects may help control underarm odor. I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.